Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Direct Express card to Cash App in 2025. Make sure you watch all the way through so you don't miss any important steps. Let's dive in. First, open your Cash App on your mobile device. Before you proceed, double check that your app is updated to the latest version. Now tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From here, go to Linked Banks, then select Add a Card. Now enter your Direct Express card details. That's your card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you input everything correctly, Cash App will try to verify your card. If successful, you'll get a confirmation that your Direct Express card has been linked to your account. If you see an error message saying the card cannot be linked, unfortunately, that means your specific card is not supported and there is no workaround for that. After your card is successfully linked, head back to the Funds tab. Here you can choose to either add cash or cash out. Just make sure to select your Direct Express card as the source for the transactions and complete the process. And that's it. That's how you add a Direct Express card to Cash App in 2025 step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions you have down in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.